Mentri rangbah ka jylla ukan sangma Leit jurip ya ka CHC hang Resubelpara ka badon han North Garo Hills District. Habakran shikilar pathai kubor Mentri rangbah ka jylla ongba wan jurip ya ka ni ka CHC ban pet ya ki jingpen kre na ka benta ban sumar ya ki bapang COVID-19 haka ni ka district bat ongru ba wat lada ki bapang kimpat bon haka ni ka district Henry kinang pen bon shushu ki jing tia bat ki jing pen mi ya ka oxygen knang ba kinlong ki bala pen kre.
We have just visited the CHC in Resubelpara to see the preparations and the infrastructure setup that has been done here in the district. The cases are not that high, but still we need to be prepared. So therefore, I have given necessary instructions that we need to increase the number of beds and increase the oxygen supply system also. So we are planning to have an oxygen plant set up here. So that site also has been seen. So 150 liters per minute plant will be set up in the CHC here in Resu, and it will cater to approximately 15 beds with high flow oxygen. So we had a review meeting also with the district medical health officer and with the deputy commissioner, and we also discussed about the vaccine drive, and vaccination drive also is going on well. We have covered almost 50% of the 45 plus category, and as and when the vaccinations are made available, we will also ensure that other population also gets it as quickly as